So if you want to make profits just like these, then watch this video to the end. I'll show you exactly how I did it. For people who don't know who I am and what it is that I actually do, I make a full-time income online from my laptop. I create simple websites that take no longer than 10 to 15 minutes to create and place Google or Facebook ads that take no longer than 3 minutes to create. The main objective is to send as many people to a website as possible, and if somebody purchases a product, then you receive a commission. I've been doing this for the past 3 years and I've made over $3.2 million in overall revenue. I became an affiliate marketer 3 years ago, and what it's allowed me to do is travel the world whilst making money on my laptop. And I'm sure you've seen tons of videos like this on YouTube and Facebook, and the trouble is how many of these fake gurus have the results and profits to back up their claims. I don't have a Lamborghini or a massive mansion or a private jet, but it's allowed me to live a life where I can truly wake up and do whatever it is I want to do whenever I want to do it. And recently I created a course showing people exactly how they can do the same, and we had great success. We had loads and loads of students who were profiting from all around the world. Now if you're interested in learning exactly how it is I've managed to create a $3 million business in the past 3 years all by myself with no handouts, then all you got to do is click the link somewhere around this video and it will send you straight to the website where you can join and become a member, where I'll show you absolutely everything you need to know. If you have no experience making money online, then this is perfect for you. If you're already earning money online and you want to learn how to scale up into those $1,000 days, then this is also perfect for you. But living the so-called laptop lifestyle truly has its benefits. I get up around 10 o'clock in the morning because I'm lazy, but it doesn't affect how much money I make. As an affiliate marketer, you can make money whatever time of the day. You can even be making money whilst you sleep. And this isn't just a one-off. There's hundreds of thousands of affiliates all across the world who are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. Some even making millions or tens of millions every single year. If you want to learn exactly how you can do the same, there'll be a link somewhere around this video. All you got to do is click it and take a look for yourself. The truth is, it's never been easier to make money online. Forget Amazon, forget Shopify, forget dropshipping. Affiliate marketing is the only way to make money online. The average affiliate marketer makes $150,000 per year. And the best part about working for yourself is that you can earn as much money as you like. So if affiliate marketing sounds like something you want to get involved in, like I said, click the link somewhere around this video and I'll see you on the next page.